right, introducing the Objectif App, a groundbreaking tool for enhanced task management. It's not just about tasks, it's a full-fledged workflow system. They manage your clients, your projects, and everything around it, as well as call logs and tasks. This task management is extensive, designed for servicing companies in architecture, software, construction, healthcare, finance, and more. Whether you're in contracting, subbing, or any industry involving client services, Objectif App is your go-to tool, with its robust communication tool to keep all employees within your company in sync. But it doesn't stop there. This tool is designed for collaboration, not only internally, but externally too. It collaborates with your external users as well, meaning if you have suppliers or clients outside of your company. Picture this. You, a bookkeeper, managing multiple clients. They can communicate, create tasks. They chat with you what task you need to do. So they are fully aware on what's happening. They can create a task for you and vice versa. You can create tasks for them and it's visible only to them. Meaning your client, they don't have to be a part of the full system. It's like an external portal, login. They can collaborate within the full task management, tailored for their needs. And of course, you have your internal use for all your clients. So let's dive in. We have our tasks. It's a very typical Kanban board task management view. So let's start to work. We are going to create a simple task, very basic. We assign the task to a user. We enter a due date, subject, descriptions. By the way, fields are very customizable. Additional fields can be created, changed, or removed. Let's get back to our focus. Let's just add reference. We're going to choose a company that we have in the system, Horizon Solutions. All right, so what happened now? You chose a client, and it automatically popped in the Assign To user, because since this particular user takes care of Horizon Solutions. And by the way, even if user is already populated, we can modify that, of course. You don't have to stick to the populated user. It's just to show us this nice feature that everything can be automatically populated. Next, let's take care of this project. All right. Okay, we save it. Beautiful. So we have now this task. Check out over here. We see all the activities. It's assigned, it's displayed over here. We can communicate. We can even have voice notes. Hi. Hi, how are you? We can send files or pictures. It's just a very, very powerful communication tool. Now, let's go a step further. So we created now a task for Horizon Solutions. Now where do we find them? We have a bunch of tasks over here. So there are different ways we can manage these tasks for this company. We have a bunch of features over here to accomplish this. First, let's have a glimpse on these filters. We can have as many filters as we wish. These are the already predefined filters. And of course, we have this manual filter that you can filter with whichever filter you need. But here is the cool thing. You have a beautiful feature that it's unique to this system, Objectif App. You can group by based on different components. Let me explain. You see, this is a typical Kanban board that is grouped by a status. But what about you want to group by within this Kanban board per user? So here you go. And within requires action, we have this user has this bunch of stuff. Here we have another user with their bunch of stuff. Now, if you go to the in progress status, we have there a bunch of stuff divided, broken down per user. Now, if you want to see the tasks broken down by client, it's also a beautiful way to break it down by client. And here we have under requires action, our Horizon Solutions client. This is the task we just created, broken down by client. You can break it down by projects or opportunities. And of course, we can customize to break it down with whichever way we like. Now, there's another way that we can manage the project, which is the beautiful way of Objectif App. Let's browse our list of clients. We want to focus only on one single client. For example, now we don't care on any other client in the system, Horizon Solutions. This is our focus. We have a full-fledged dashboard just for Horizon Solutions. We can talk about the call logs later. Our focus now is on the tasks. So we go to the task management. We have the full Kanban board exclusively for this specific client, Horizon Solutions. And we can manage, of course, move, the status back and forth, and everything is being automatically saved and properly managed. So this one is covering all the features related to tasks and client, and of course, this system is endless, which will be covered in the next video.